Hi there, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina and I share Instant Pot tips and recipes on my blog, paintthekitchenred.com. Today we're going to be making Instant Pot teriyaki chicken wings. We cook the chicken wings in the Instant Pot so they're really tender, and then we finish them off in the oven. I like to broil the chicken and it gets that crispness that you can get at restaurants. You could also put it in the air fryer if you wanted to. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. 2.5 pounds of chicken wings, that's about 20 pieces. 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. 2 tablespoons of finely minced garlic. Half cup of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1 teaspoon of sriracha sauce. 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Half teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. A 3-inch piece of cinnamon stick, or you can use 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoons of finely minced or grated ginger, and finally, it's not pictured in this photograph, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, a tablespoon of water, 1 to 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame seeds, and 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced green onions. We're going to make our own sauce. So to the Instant Pot, add soy sauce, granulated sugar, ginger, this can be minced ginger or ginger paste, garlic paste or minced garlic, pepper, rice wine vinegar, cinnamon, you can use cinnamon stick or cinnamon powder, and sriracha sauce, and this is optional if I like a little spice with my teriyaki wings. Whisk all the ingredients together, and if you have the time, you can actually make this sauce and marinate the chicken wings for like 2 hours to overnight. That would just add even more flavor. In this case, I'm just going to make the sauce and cook the chicken right away because I didn't have the time. And so you stir the chicken up so that it's completely coated with the sauce. And once you do that, you can start pressure cooking. Close the Instant Pot lid and pressure cook on high pressure for 5 minutes. Once the pressure cooking is done, we're going to release the pressure using the quick release method. And once the float valve goes down, you can open the lid. Once you cook the chicken, it tastes so much better if you broil it or cook it in the air fryer. I like to line a baking sheet with aluminum foil and add some vegetable oil to it to keep the chicken from sticking. And then I add the chicken pieces to the baking sheet. Now we're ready to thicken the sauce. Mix together the cornstarch and water and add the cornstarch slurry to the teriyaki sauce and stir until it's thickened. Now you're doing this in saute mode and you'll see that the consistency of the sauce is much thicker after a few minutes. Baste the chicken in the tray with the teriyaki sauce, and this is just going to give it so much more flavor. Place the chicken in the middle rack of the oven and broil it for about 12 to 15 minutes, and halfway through, take it out and turn the pieces over and baste the other side with the sauce. It's important to check on the wings periodically to make sure they don't burn because every oven is different. And you can sprinkle them with sesame seeds and green onions and serve some sauce on the side. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy that Instant Pot teriyaki chicken wings recipe. It's great for Super Bowl or if you have a party, and you can cook the chicken wings ahead of time and then just broil them right before you're ready to serve.